I took the simple spreadsheet that I created over here. I pasted it into this website and it generated me a done-for-you affiliate marketing website that I've been using to make $500 in my first day using the strategy with affiliate marketing. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can go and take simple spreadsheets with CPA and affiliate marketing products, paste it into this tool over here that will create a done-for-you affiliate marketing website that we can use two strategies that I'm going to show you at the end of this video to monetize it and make money online. Over here, I've been promoting 3 products on the same affiliate marketing website using this Google Sheets tool, that being builderall.com, Kartra.com, and ClickFunnels over here. So it actually gives my leads a choice to choose from one of 3 of these products. And using completely free traffic strategies just like this one over here that I'm going to show you in today's video, I've generated well over $11,000 with builderall.com and over 1,000 euros using strategies like this. I currently have over 6,800 leads with over 42 leads paying me a commission every single month just for referring them to this affiliate program. So if I reload this over here, I'll show you that this is my live Builderall dashboard and what I've earned off builderall.com using free traffic strategies just like this. And yeah, you can see this is my refresh dashboard and not some kind of screenshots or anything like that. So with all of that being said, this is a really simple way to make money online with free traffic in today's video by converting spreadsheets into simple done-for-you affiliate marketing websites. So without further ado, with all of that being said, let's get straight into it. What's going on, awesome people of YouTube? Jay here, your no BS South African online entrepreneur and coach, documenting my journey on my YouTube channel on various ways that I use to make money online. If you want to follow the journey with me, make sure to subscribe down below with the red notification bell on so that I can send you a message every time I upload a value-packed video just like this one. As I said in the intro, in today's video, we're specifically going to be talking about turning spreadsheets into done-for-you affiliate marketing websites with this one simple artificial intelligence tool over here. There's no coding knowledge. You don't need to study any coding languages to turn this into your own website. It's a copy link, paste, and automatically generated system over here. So the first thing we're going to go and do is we need to go and build our spreadsheet over here. Our spreadsheet can't be blank. We do need to have some kind of text in our spreadsheet. So I'm going to clear this one over here and restart this process for you. So I'm going to delete everything and I want you to type these 4 things in column A, column B, column C, and column D. Column A is going to state your product name, B, the starting price, C, a brief description, and D, your affiliate URL. And I'm going to go and paste 3 main products over here, and I'm going to show you how we can go and turn this done-for-you spreadsheet into a done-for-you affiliate marketing website that we can go and monetize in multiple ways. I'm going to show you my top 2 ways that I've been making money off of the spreadsheet. So the first thing we need to go and enter is our 3 products that we want to turn into a done-for-you affiliate marketing website. Now, I'm going to give you my top 3 affiliate products that I've been promoting with this strategy, and the best thing about these products is they are all subscription-based affiliate programs, meaning you don't just get a once-off commission from them, you get a monthly subscription and a monthly fee every month for the rest of your life to your affiliate account. So over here, we firstly have builderall.com. Now I quickly want to give you a brief overview of what you'll be earning off this affiliate program. If you click on the plans page over here on Builderall's homepage, it will take you over here to their 4 main packages. And this is how it works. Your first month that you refer someone to this affiliate program, you will get 100% commission of whatever package you refer them to. So let's say you refer me to the marketer plan, you are going to get $76 straight to your affiliate account, which you can withdraw, wire transfer, PayPal, or Bitcoin, which means this affiliate program pays worldwide. And every month thereafter, you are going to earn 30% of whatever package you've referred me to. So 30% of $76, which let's say is about $30 every month for the rest of your life. Secondly, we've got Kartra.com, which is the second affiliate program. If I come over to plans and pricing over here, just to give you an idea of what you're going to earn from this, also 4 main packages, you are going to get 40% every single month. So for example, if you refer me to the gold plan, you are going to get 40% of $299 every month passively to your account, which is about $100. So if you refer 10 people to the gold plan, that's $1,000 a month for literally doing nothing for the rest of your life. And thirdly, ClickFunnels over here. So one thing I want you to notice is that I've kept all my affiliate products in a very similar kind of niche. All these products are very similar, and that's what you want to do is you want to choose one specific niche and stick to that. You don't want to go and have one product that is a health and fitness product and then another product that has got to do with gardening and then a third product that has got to do with education, because we want to target that specific audience. So you'll notice all my affiliate products over here are some kind of landing page builders, email automation, funnel creators, membership area builders, which both Builderall, Kartra, and ClickFunnels offers. If you've been watching my channel for some time, you would know that I talk about these products a lot, and I do that is because I promote these products myself, and there is a lot of potential money to be made online with these affiliate programs. The second thing you want to do is you want to go down to the bottom of each and every one of these websites, Builderall, Kartra, and ClickFunnels. Click on their affiliate program. So for example, Builderall will have a big button that says affiliates over here. You can then scroll down on this page. It will more or less be over here. You've also got a calculator on what you can go and earn, so you can go and play around with this. But right at the bottom of the page, you want to go and choose option 2. Unless you're already a Builderall customer, you automatically become a part of the affiliate program. So if you have your own Builderall package, you automatically become an affiliate. But if you don't want a Builderall package, you can go and apply to become a solo affiliate, which is a really easy process. So you can click on this button over here and it will guide you through the process. Secondly, we have Kartra.com. If you scroll down to the bottom, you'll see they have affiliate program over here. Click on this and you can go and sign up on their affiliate program. Here you will get 40% lifetime commissions, and you can go and click on this green button over here called apply now, and you can go and follow all the steps over there. And then thirdly, ClickFunnels over here. Scroll down to the bottom. They will have some kind of affiliate program here. Right, it's a little bit small, but click on affiliates. You'll see right at the bottom there's a tab that says affiliates. Click on this and it will take you to the sign up page of ClickFunnels where you can go and grab your affiliate link. So let's just wait for this to load up. And same thing with ClickFunnels, you are going to get 40% reoccurring commissions every month for the rest of your life. You just need to fill in this information over here. You can go and create your account and you can become an affiliate for ClickFunnels. Once you've done that on all three, you need to go and copy your affiliate link and go and paste that under your affiliate URL. So our first product, we're going to have Builderall. Our second product, we're going to have Kartra. And our third product, we're going to have ClickFunnels. Our affiliate URL, you will go and paste. For our starting price, we're going to have over here each of their cheapest packages. So Builderall is $16.90. So we can type here $16.90. Kartra is, if I come back to the pricing page, I know it's $99 for the entry package. The starter being $99 a month. So we can go and type here $99 for Kartra. And then ClickFunnels over here, if I come back to the home page, is $80.84 a month. So we can go and type here $80.84. For the description of each and every product, you can just come back to the home page and copy the exact same description over here on their homepage. So we can go and copy this description for ClickFunnels, go and paste this over here. We can just maybe stretch this out to fit into our spreadsheet here. We can then come back to Kartra, go and copy this basic description. It really doesn't have to be long. It can just be a sentence or two. We can go and paste this for Kartra's description. And then for Builderall over here, we can come back to the Builderall homepage and go and copy this description here. Come back to your spreadsheet and paste this over here. So now that we've got our product, starting price, description, and affiliate URL, our spreadsheet is ready to go and generate into a done for you website. You want to go and click on share on the top right over here. You'll see it will prompt you with the following over here. You need to click on get link. Anyone on the internet can view this link. Click on copy that link, and you want to come back to this website over here called spreadsimple.com. So this is a tool where you can create and manage websites using Google Sheets. You want to go and click on get started or try it out over here. You can use the completely free plan. You don't need to pay for the paid packages. Click on continue with Google over here. Once you've signed in with your Google account, this page will pop up over here. Click on this gray plus sign, and all you need to go and do is paste your Google link sheet over here. you can go and choose any one of these templates. For example, let's go and use this one over here. Click on use template, and it will be a couple of seconds, and this tool will turn your spreadsheet into an entire done for you affiliate marketing website. And take a look at this. You've got your default title, and you've got all your products over here listed to you in table format with builder, card for ClickFunnels, the description and the price. You can go and choose between different card styles. So for example, if you want it in vertical table format or horizontal table format like this, I prefer the horizontal template format, so I'm going to go and use that. We just want to go and change the text and the background image of our picture over here. So we can go and click on design on the top right, click on homepage intro, and go and change this text. And we can delete this subtext over here. We don't actually need that. All we want is this title over here, and we want to go and change the background image of this. So we can come over to a website called Pixabay.com, which is a free stock image website where we can go and find images based on the internet or whatever niche you're really looking for. So let's go and search, for example, funnel. We, for example, can go and choose this image over here. So just go and click on this image with the computer and the tablets all connected. Go and click on free download and download this to your PC over here. Just click on the capture over here and click on download, and you'll be able to download this picture to your PC for free. Now come back to Spreadsheets over here, where it says cover image under the design tab. Click on upload, click on upload again, and go and upload the same picture we've just downloaded off Pixabay.com. So over here you'll see this is what your website will now look like. And that's it. And the last thing we need to go and do is just come back to the contents page over here, where it says, if you scroll up to the top over here, the badges section, click on the drop down, click on affiliate URL, and it will load up a button over here with your affiliate link. So we can now go and click on publish on the top right over here. We can go and type our spreadsheet name, for example, top 3 funnel builders, and we can go and click on save over here. You also can go and connect your own domain if you want to go and create your own like .com website. Okay, so this name is taken. You can type it 2022. Let's click on save, and over here our website has now been published. So if I go and open this up in a new tab, this is what your done for your website is going to look like, which we turned this into this over here. So this is a beautiful website that we can now go and use to promote in multiple ways and monetize that. Firstly, the best thing you can do is to get some free traffic and to get some organic traffic going is to come over to facebookgroups.com, and over here we can go and look for example, email marketing groups on Facebook groups over here, and we want to go and target these groups over here because all the people in these groups are obviously in the email marketing niche, and that's exactly what our tools can provide for them. Go and choose any one of these groups. I would say choose a group that is posting quite regularly, for example 8 posts a day. That means they are an active group and not a dead post, and they have a decent amount of members over here, 61,000 members. So we can go and click on this group over here, and you want to go and create the following post. You don't just want to spam your link, you want to go and ask a question and engage with the group, because you want people to engage with your post so that it pushes it up to the top of the group where everyone will see it. So we can go and type here, hey guys, I just started my email marketing journey. Are there any good tools that you recommend? For example, just like that over here. That's all you want to do is you just want to go and ask a simple question like that. The whole point of this is people will then reply to your post, most likely with their affiliate links, and try and make money off of you. And you want to go and reply to them saying, well, I came across this website that mentioned the top 3 funnel builders of 2022 on the internet today. What do you think? Have you used any one of these before? And that way you will get a lot more conversions and clicks by replying to people's comments and giving them value instead of just spamming all over the group and pasting your link everywhere. What you can also go and do is you can go and view other posts on this website. For example, one of these over here, you can go and click on the comments of these posts and reply to these people, and you can mention to them, hey there, I just started my email marketing journey and joined this group. I just came across this website mentioning the top 3 funnel builders of 2020, and then you can go and reply with your link over there. So you want to go and ask people questions and provide value instead of just copy and paste and spam everywhere. Secondly, you can come to Pinterest over here and create these little valuable tips about email marketing on your Pinterest page. So take a look at this example over here. This page basically gives you email marketing, how to avoid spam filters. Number one, grow your email marketing list and collect your email list organically via your website. Clean up your email list, subject line, email body, address book ad, and then add the unsubscribe option. So they're basically giving 6 valuable tips to email marketers on how to avoid the spam filters over here. And you'll see the link of this post goes to their web page over here, which then they have affiliate products to multiple affiliate marketing tools, which they're also monetizing with Google ads. And you can see over here, they're busy selling an email template bundle. So we can go along the same kind of path. Instead of posting our own website that sells something, we can use the affiliate website that we've just created with Spreadsheets over here. And that way, through Pinterest, this post got over 216 reactions or likes. So I'm guessing it got a couple of thousands of views on this post. And posting on Pinterest consistently will grow your page a lot, especially again when you're giving value. Any social media platform will work out for you if you give value instead of just spam everywhere. So same kind of concept on Pinterest over here. You want to go and give value. The easiest way to go and do that is you can just go over to Google and type in funnel creation tips over here. Go and open up, for example, this website here, 7 pro tips to build an awesome sales funnel. You can then come over to a tool called Canva over here, and you can turn these tips using Canva over here and all these templates into a simple little post that looks just like this over here with 1, 2, 3, and 4. And Canva is an easy drag and drop tool. I'll actually go and show you over here. We can go over to, for example, presentations. We can click on presentation over here and go and turn all of these tips on this website into a simple presentation on Canva and go and upload that onto Pinterest as a valuable video. And you want to make sure that your Pinterest page name has got to do with email marketing, or funnel building or e-commerce, because you don't want to be promoting an email marketing strategy on a page that has a name that has nothing to do with email marketing. That just won't make sense. You also want to put a good brand together, and using Pinterest over here and Facebook groups over here. That is how I made my first $500 online on Builderall, turning simple spreadsheets just like this one over here and just like this one over here into a done for you website like this. So what I'm going to do is to help you out even more. I'm going to leave 2 playlists on the screen over here. I'm going to leave one playlist called affiliate marketing and my other playlist called Builderall training, which will teach you how to go and create your own funnels, your own landing pages, your own email marketing automation campaigns, done for you checkouts, done for you products included. And this playlist over here, affiliate marketing, will go over tons of traffic methods that you can plug in your funnels into. So these 2 playlists over here form the ultimate sweet spot for an affiliate marketer that wants to get started. So what I recommend is choose one of these playlists over here, and I'll see you there.